Hello everyone, this is Rahul here. So today I'll be talking about fitness and about the heart health and why certain fitness is important and what you should do to improve your fitness so that you can lead a healthy, active lifestyle and have a pretty good heart health. So your heart is a muscle and it gets stronger and healthier if you lead a healthy, active lifestyle. And it's never too late to start exercising, especially if you're in a very young age. It's really highly recommended that you start now. And so regular exercises can help you. That can help you burn calories and help you maintain a very good blood pressure or reduce your LDL and improve your HDL. So how to start exercising? So first think about what you like to do and how you would like to do it. So what sounds fun to you and what sounds easy and what is convenient for you? Like some people they have some very busy work style. So what you can do is you can start by walking around your colony or walking around the block of your house and slowly progress into a jogging and then into cardio and sprint. And so then different type of exercises. So one is aerobic exercise, aerobic or also called as cardio exercise. So as my brother already mentioned before, so there are like he explained the different types of cardio exercises and what you can do, that is like skipping or jogging or running. So whichever is convenient for you, you can do that. And next one is be stretching. So stretching as in focus on the different parts of the body, try to make your muscles flexible and try to stretch different muscle parts of your body. And at the same time the end part would be strength training. So not only cardio, you can also focus on strength training, that is focus on your own body weight, or you can focus with the help of external body weights like dumbbells or barbells. So I would really recommend you to use your own body weight, that is build your fitness. So right now I'll show you different types of strength training exercises that you can work out with me. So before starting my workout, what I usually do is, I take my pre-workout. So for my pre-workout I use Nightworks as well as Afresh. So these two products I use it for my pre-workout. So what does Afresh do is Afresh provides, in each spoon it provides 40 mg of caffeine. So I take about 3 spoons, that is 120 mg of caffeine, and that is for my pre-workout to boost my energy and to do more exercise better. And the other one what I use is called as Nightworks. So Nightworks is actually a Nobel Prize winning product by Dr. Louis Miro. And so this Nightworks, what it does is it supplies nitrogen oxide to the body, which enlarges the heart rate and helps in proper blood flow. So what it does is when you take exercise, it helps you in proper blood flow towards the body and up and down and proper oxygen supply, so that you don't end up getting a lot of cramps later. And so I already had my pre-workout. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my during workout. So that is my Oblique 24 hydrate. So it's a simple sachet form. So what it comes with 30 sachets and it provides basic electrolytes to my body. So I just mix it in water and add it. So it's very simple to use. You can just mix it in water and mix it in 500 ml of water and just shake it and add it. So you can actually do this every 2 to 3 times a week. And I will be showing the basic workouts, not the advanced one, but basic beginner type of workouts, which is really helpful for you to maintain a very good heart health. So let's go. For a bicep workout, you can use a pair of dumbbells or you can use a resistance band if you have a resistance band at home. So I also have both, but I'll be showing you the extra weight in dumbbells because it will be easy. And if you don't have that, you can use a resistance band. It's the same concept. So for starting with bicep, you start with some basic bicep curls. So you keep your dumbbells down and you contract and extend them. Okay, so this is how we do it. So if you want, you can join with me 15 times each. This is 3, 4. And so while doing the workout, make sure that you are inhaling and exhaling properly, that you are taking proper breaths during the workout. Last one, 50. So you do this workout 3 times, that is 15 reps with 3 sets, and you do it so that you can also build your bicep muscles. So this is a basic bicep workout which anyone can do at the comfort at your house. And the next one will be your tricep workout. So for tricep workout, what you need to do is you need to take a dumbbell. So you can take a dumbbell in one hand, raise it up above your shoulder, and bend it below to a tricep extension like this. Single arm dumbbell tricep extension. So we're doing this again, same 15 reps each. And you're doing it slowly. 7. And make sure you don't miss your other arm, that you do it in both your arms. Okay? So again, your dumbbell goes up above your shoulders and bend it below for a tricep extension like this. That's it, and your tricep workout is complete. So make sure you don't do it too fast and you're doing it at a moderate speed. So you can end this in the same way, that is 15 reps of 3 sets, that is continued for next 2 times. So for the shoulder exercises, you'll be taking again 2 pair of dumbbells, and you'll be taking the dumbbells above your shoulder level and raise it up to the ceiling levels for a wide shoulder press. 4. Again, we're going to do this again 15 reps each. So now after those 4 workouts, let's move to the push-up workout, that is building a chest. So I understand not many people are able to do push-up easily. So I'll be showing 3 different variations of push-up. You can choose which one is convenient for you. And so I need to say that for having a good heart health, a good heart health indicates that a person is able to do at least 40 push-ups in a single go. So I'm sure like not many people are able to do it now. So it's no problem, you can start it step by step. So let's show you how to do some basic push-ups, and so how you can progress in it and how you can do it better. So this easy push-up is called a quarter push-up. So basically, even your thighs are down and you're just pushing your upper body up. Okay? So just pushing your upper body up like this, and your arms are bent in an acute angle that is less than 90, and you're pushing down. This is a quarter push-up. Next is a half push-up. That is even your thighs are up above the ground, and you're squeezing down like this and coming up. So this is a half push-up, and the last one is a complete push-up or a full push-up. So a full push-up is the body goes up, and your leg is on your body, and you just go down like this and come up. So what we'll be doing is, you can do push-up with me, that is 15 reps each. You can choose a push-up, it is easy and convenient for you. 15 reps each of 3 sets. So let's go. So take your arm distance and your legs go wide. If you are able to do this. Or if you want to do the half push-up or the quarter push-up, you are also welcome to do that. So let's go. So that was your push-up, which I did 15 reps. So you can also say 15 reps of 3 sets each. That is 3 times. So you can start with some basic 15 reps for 3 sets. So begin with 15 and then slowly progress to 20, then 25, then 30, then 35 and 40. So as I said, the 40 is actually a baseline for a person's indication that his heart is healthy. So try to improve your push-ups in that. So now let's go for a plank workout. So a plank is a finishing workout for everyone. So what does a plank do? Is a plank activates your entire part of the body, that is your core muscles, your abs, your abdomen, your back, and your shoulder and lash to some extent. So let's do a plank. So to do a proper plank, you need to keep your arms straight like this. Keep your arms at a proper distance and your legs straight, and make sure that your back is straight. So while doing a plank, let's start with 30 seconds, and slowly you can progress it to 45 and then 60. Because an average person does a plank for about 60 seconds. But since you're at a beginner stage, let's go for 30. So come on, let's go. So you put your arms straight like this, and your hips straight, and your back straight like this, and let's go for 30 seconds. Go. And so that was your 30-second plank workout. That was a 30-second plank workout what I just showed you. And so you can do that 30 seconds of 3 sets each. And so those were your 6 workouts, 6 basic workouts for upper body strength training. So what did we do? We did our bicep curls for 15 reps, 3 sets each. Then we did a tricep extension, single arm tricep extension, which is 15 reps, 3 sets each. Then we did a wide shoulder press, which is again 15 reps, 3 sets each. And after that we did a barbell row, dumbbell rows, that is again 15 reps, 3 sets each. And then for the ending we came to push-ups. Push-up with our basic push-ups. And based on your caliber, if you want to do the full push-up, half or quarter push-up, you can do that with 15 reps of 3 sets each. The last one we ended with plank. So the plank was again a 30-second workout with 30-second workout of 3 sets each. So you can do that at the comfort of your house, at your comfort of your home, at any place, and try to include 15 to 30 minutes daily, or 15 to 30 minutes 2 times a week minimum. So that is, you can follow the cardio workout which my brother suggested you, and along with that you can do this 2 to 3 times a week with a minimum of 15 to 30 minutes, not more than that. If you can do more than that, that's great actually. But if you want to do a base one, this is really important for you. And so once your workout is done, don't forget to do your cooling exercises that will stretch your muscles, stretch your head, your neck, then your arms, your bicep. So you can stretch your muscles differently. And I'll be showing you another tutorial on how to stretch your muscles. That will be again separated in the future. So that is for stretch. You're going to stretch all your muscles, and I'm sure you know the basic ones. So thank you so much everyone for joining this video and attending this small tutorial and the importance of artists for learning about it. I hope you guys, it was very innovative for you, and I hope you guys understood it, and I hope you guys liked it. If you like this video, please like below and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and my different socials. My socials are all mentioned below. That is @nrahulraju, and you can also follow a page that is Holistic Wellness. So we help people in different nutrition factors, and we keep posting different content. And because the theme of this month is Dil Dhadakne Do, that is to maintain a good healthy heart. We are focusing on the current topic, that is improving heart health. So because this is a very crucial month, and art health is actually very important. So we will keep posting content on this, and so I hope you guys understood and like this part. And I'm also going to be posting a new topic very soon on obesity. I hope you guys check that out.